Hello and welcome back to Farmyard Academy. So we've got another video for you today. We're just looking at a couple more mechanisms, so we'll go straight into it. So we've got a hydration mechanism, which is where we're going to add water to an alkene. So we'll just start with ethene, and what we're going to do is we're going to acid catalyze it. So we're going to add an acid to it, which is a H plus donor. So first arrow from where we've got electrons to where we haven't, so from the double bond to the H plus. Then that's going to allow us to draw a carbocation, and again we've mentioned before that primary carbocations are the least stable and tertiary the most stable, but here we can only do a primary, so we'll draw that reactive intermediate out. Now we can get the water to go in. So next arrow is going to go from the lone pair on the oxygen to the carbon, and we're left with water added onto the carbon with a positive charge. Need to show the oxygen with a positive charge, and we draw it out like that, and then the final arrow to form the alcohol to reform the catalyst, the acid. The hydrogen is kicked out and we're left with our alcohol. So in this instance we're left with ethanol. Okay, so that's the hydration one. And then the next one is the going back the other way, if you like. So it's the elimination of water. So in this instance we'll actually start with ethanol. Okay, so lone pair on the oxygen, and again acid catalyzed. So proton donor H plus. First arrow from the lone pair of the electrons to the H plus. So we're left with water now present. Again, need to show a positive charge on the oxygen. Okay, so this turns the water into a leaving group, or the OH into a leaving group, because it's H2O, so that's going to get kicked out. So again, left with a carbocation. And again, similar process. This time we need to reform the acid catalyst. So hydrogen gets kicked out and we form a double bond, so that overall we're left with ethene and H plus catalyst. Okay, so there we go. 2 other mechanisms for you for first year A level. See you on the next one.